Good day, class! Welcome again to another episode of Math Pinadali Pilipinas. In this video, we are going to solve a math problem that involves inequalities. And the problem goes this way. In a jar, there are 10 blue marbles and 15 red marbles. A buyer wants to buy a jar of blue marbles and red marbles with the ratio greater than or equal to 4:5 respectively. How many blue marbles must be added in the jar in order to sell the marbles? So let's start with the given. No. Yan. We have a jar. Now let's try to draw a jar. Yan. Yan. We have a jar. It contains 10 blue marbles and 15 red marbles. Yan. So, 10 blue marbles and 15 red marbles. Now, ang required sa atin would be number of blue marbles to be added such that ratio of blue to red marbles is greater than or equal to 4:5. Okay, so let's proceed with the solution. Now, the first thing is, dapat alam natin yung ibig sabihin ng 4:5. Now, this is a ratio, no? 4:5. And later on, no, dapat ma-convert natin siya into a fraction na magagamit natin sa ating inequality. Okay? So, ang sabi sa atin, kailangan daw natin malaman yung number ng blue marbles na kailangan idagdag para mabenta yung marbles. Para mabenta yung marbles, dapat yung ratio niya is greater than or equal to 4:5, no? Pag sinabi natin 4:5, no, you can write this in a fraction form, no? 4/5. Tama? 4:5. Okay? Ibig sabihin, dito, yung ratio ng blue to red, no, ay dapat at least or greater than or equal to 4:5. Okay? I-represent natin siya in terms of fraction para mas madali nating manipulate yung ating inequality. Now, yung ratio ng blue to red, pwede natin siya i-represent as B/R. Okay? Greater than or equal to, so greater than or equal to, no? 4:5. So, 4/5. No? B/R is greater than or equal to 4:5. So, this would be our working inequality. Now, ang hinahanap sa atin, alam na natin yung value ng initial na B, no? And initial na R. Ang hinahanap sa atin would be ilan daw yung kailangang idagdag. Ilan yung kailangang idagdag. Okay? So, that would be, sabihin na lang natin ito yung B final, no? And this is the red final, no? Final number of the blue marbles, the final number of the red marbles. Now, initially, alam natin yung number of the blue marbles, that's 10, no? Plus, ilan yung kailangan natin idagdag, no? Let us represent that with X. No? X be the number of marbles or blue marbles that needs to be added such that the ratio of the blue to the red marbles is greater than or equal to 4:5. That means yung B final mo pala is 10 plus X. Now, wala naman tayong kailangan idagdag na red marble, so that would be over 15. Then, greater than or equal to 4:5. Okay? Now, our approach again to this one is to eliminate the denominator, and we can do that by multiplying both sides by 15. So, dapat gets na natin kung bakit 15 yung ginamit natin. So, that would be 15 times this expression, makakancel lang yung 15, so this would leave us 10 plus x. That would be greater than or equal to 4/5 times 15. So, magiging siyang 15, then 5. Kakancel mo siya, magiging siyang 3 na lang. So, 4 times 3, that's 12. Okay? So, para siyang ganito. Okay, so cancel mo to, ito. So, this one is 3. So, 12. Kaya nakuha natin yung 12. Now, ilipat natin yung 10 sa kabila. That would be x should be greater than or equal to 12 minus 10. Therefore, x should be greater than or equal to 2. Now, ibig sabihin, yung idadagdag daw natin na blue marble should be greater than or equal to 2. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Ano ba yung values na greater than or equal to 2? Kasama ba yung 2? Yes, kasama yung 2 kasi greater than or equal. Ibig sabihin, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, yung pwede natin idagdag na blue marbles para maging greater than or equal to yung ratio ng blue to red marbles. 2, 4 is to 5. Let's check no kung tama. Let's assume na yung idagdag natin would be if x equals 2, that would mean 10 marbles plus 2 marbles over 15 is greater than or equal to 4 is to 5. Ang 10 plus 12 plus 10 plus 2 natin is 12 over 15. That's greater than or equal to 5. Now, how can we compare this? Siyempre, i-transform natin siya into 8 sa decimal form, no? So, that would mean 12 divided by 15. That would give us 0.80. Greater than or equal to 4 divided by 5. That's 0.80. And again, 0.80 is greater than or equal to 0.80. Tama naman no, kasi 0.80 considered yung equal. Okay? So, our final answer would be x should be greater than or equal to 2. Or at least 2 marbles should be added in order to sell the marbles. So that ends our episode for today. If you have questions, you may message us on our Facebook page, Mat Pinadali Pilipinas, and you may comment them down below on our in this YouTube video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. So thank you guys and see you on our next episode. Bye-bye!